back in the booth. We have moved the extremely tall, awkward bookcase, and we're gonna move in the mantle. So the mantle is 6 feet long, and it's going to need to start about right there and then go across the back wall, which means that we need to take all of this down and that down so we can put that mantle in. So I'm going to get that done first, and then somehow or another manhandle the mantle in here.
Is there somebody here? Oh, thank goodness. Can you come over here? I really need some help. You might this put up. I can't reach my drill bit. And I can't let go of this because it'll fall. And I've already walked over here from the back with it. And I'm,
Okay. Just a second. Let me get my set down outside.
no worries. Take your time. I'm hanging out, and I might be able to get bionic arms and reach it. But okay, I just hand me
Can we
my
hold it?
yeah, hand me my drill, and then you hold the darn thing up because there were spiders, and it weighs like 500 pounds,
Oh.
and you know,
Yes.
and just determined get the dadgum, and I said some bad words.
You said some bad words.
I said lots of bad words, to be honest with you. I said some.
It's all right.
It was spicy. It was. And then there's a screw right next to you on the thing, a black one. The black
These
ones, yeah.
long ones.
Because I was like, oh God, I'm gonna have to take this whole thing down and then go get everything that I thought I put in where I could reach everything.
You
And
wouldn't lean up against it?
well, it was too weebly wobbly, like.
Oh, boy.
That'll stay.
It kind of did the.
Oh, it did?
Yeah, a little bit.
There's
It
another
just
one.
seemed like it. I don't
Yeah,
know. Maybe
I'm sure it did, because, I mean, it's sticking way out here.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna worry about it.
Well,
Right now, thank you, friend, I appreciate you.
oh, you're fine.
I really do.
You may want to, I'm gonna take that out and just loosen it up to where you can push
Yeah.
that back.
Definitely. Let me get this side attached,
Sure.
and then we'll,
You may want to, let me make sure that's, get a little bit more. I mean, it's not touching the,
yeah, because it's the door.
okay, that's good.
Okay.
She'll be fine.
I'll loosen that one up, and I won't.
Oh, yeah, it kind of come back
So that
along
one,
with the door.
oh, it popped back
Popped
out?
out, yeah. But that's all right. I mean, I
Okay.
think it's all right.
So you think I should loosen this side, or we good?
Well, that's totally up to you. It may be all right this way it is.